Sharp edges. We're back. What are we doing? Absolutely nothing. Literally what I've done my entire YouTube career is do nothing, and then I delete my videos because they're awful. I don't even know if this microphone is working, but it looks cool, so I have it there. And then I got the cool lights in the back. It's actually on my TV. It's on YouTube right now. Not watching anything. I'm gonna flip this chair around real quick. Alright. So we're I don't know what we're gonna do. Well, actually I do know what we're gonna do. So this is my new room. I moved. I'm not gonna tell you where I live because that's personal information. So now I like planes. I just thought I'd put that out there. I just love them. I love the wings, I love the engines, I love the cockpits, I love the windows on the planes, and I love everything that has to do with planes. I mean, I got them hanging from my ceiling. I got paper airplanes up there. You can see one right there. Right there. And then I got one over there. You can't really see that. And I got pretty cool ones right there. I'll show you again later. And I got one on my stereo. It's pretty cool. You literally can't see. Oh, I have an idea. So, I thought I would do something special. I have an original song that I would like to share with you guys. So I'm gonna sing it now. Are you ready? Sweet. Colder and colder as the night goes on. I can't remember my name, all hope is lost. The winter air covers my perspective in frost. When will summer come? It's been way too long. The last time I saw you, I told you to give me a call. I messed up the chords. Where are you now? Where are you now? Where are you now? Snow's not that deep. You couldn't have hid there. The kiss on my cheek, it just faded into the air. Your hands are so cold, just doesn't seem fair. Footprint on my porch reminds me that you were here. Where are you now? Where are you now? Where are you now? Where are you now? I can't stand that you're so far away. Your presence gave me goosebumps. Why couldn't you have stayed? The lights in the sky are still dark to this day. From the moment that your feet took you away from this place. Where are you now? 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 You're gone. You're gone. You're gone. You're gone. You're gone. So, that was my song. I really hope you enjoyed that. So now, I am going to do something. Jordan? Oh, I've been making music. I've been recording music. I've been composing some pretty cool things. Some pretty cool beats that make you dance, that make you sad, that make you cry, that make you happy. Pretty much everything. They're not very good, but I'm getting there. And I'm gonna get there. Someday. I will. I promise. I do. I promise. Really want to I really want to DJ. Like, that's what I really want to do. I like to make people dance. I like to do stuff. I really like Chainsmokers. I really like Marshmello. I really like all those guys. They're so freaking cool. And I also really like really sad music. I like writing some sad acoustic stuff. Just because that's just how I am sometimes. Some pretty cool stuff going on in my life. Going to school for aviation maintenance, airplanes, like I said, I like them. Right now I'm going for the airframe side of the license. I don't really think you guys understand that, and if you do, that's awesome. I know I got some friends out there that understand. To do some adult classes in the summer, probably get everything done before I graduate, take the test, then I'll be making a lot of money when I graduate. But I'm hoping some type of other career takes off because I don't want to work my entire life. I want to do stuff that I love my whole life, and that's what I'm working on. I usually do that in my girlfriend's face. So, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. It took me less than 10 minutes. If I'm being completely honest, I don't have more videos out there that have actually some cool, good ideas. Yeah, that's the end of the video.